Comfort, so I want to ask you, even if, say, for example, so Odogwu na your husband, is it how you are going to be behaving? Which right you get where be say you dey block Odogwu for road, say make it not go, make it not come off for house, go hospital. That it should make it not come off for house. Which right you get? Which right you get? Now Odogwu way they keep you quiet with your papa, now I blame. By this time, when I'm supposed to don't dey inside kiri there. So that your papa go and do what he do. But before I go into this matter, let me greet you all. I greet you according to your time. Is your girl again, Linda Gist TV. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, do me well by hitting the following button. Share this video for me. Make you not forget to drop your comments on the comment section. Like I always say, your opinion matters a lot. So guys, Odogwu posted a video this evening where we say come house, come collect something. Then begin comfort am. Say where it is how many days. Where it is how many days. Come comfort her. I not blame you. Now Odogwu I blame. Since Odogwu don't want to take action as a man, he not want to take action as a man before this matter get out of hand, before it's too late. By this time, you and your papa supposed to take kiri. You and your papa supposed to take kiri. You can't even see get mind. They stand for road. Say me Odogwu not go hospital. You are not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere. Comfort. You don't have shame. I'm still saying it. You don't have shame. So your papa do and so that girl not go feel deliver shame. Una won't repair una not so. You won't become mother of the house. So for your mind now, as Odogwu do that right that very day now. For your mind, Odogwu don't marry you. Now so that they marry for una place. I don't know. So that so that they marry for una place. Come for leave this small boy make he get peace of mind. Leave this small boy make he get rest. Because this boy not be your mate. This guy not be your age mate. Old woman, respect yourself. Are you will be Odogwu auntie? I'm so disappointed at you, man. I'm very, very disappointed. Odogwu, your brother, your nephew, I've been waiting, I'll call him. The hospital. Since yesterday, they suffer. You didn't go and meet him in the hospital. You not go meet her for hospital. You because of comfort matter. You not go meet her for hospital. Comfort where you they support now. See the display. You think comfort? You think he's a changed person? He's not a changed person, no. He's still the bad person where you feel no. Now she still remain. Then you leave your brother girlfriend where do hospital because of comfort. Madam, very, very disappointed at you. I'm very, very disappointed at you because where you they push your brother, they go now where they go buy your brother. If Odogwu mistakenly marry Comfort born one born to go buy Odogwu so that all property where Odogwu get to go become Comfort too and a family. If anything, any mistake where Odogwu take marry Comfort go buy Odogwu. Comfort is just after Odogwu's property, Odogwu's money. Odogwu's money. Which right you get? Has it gotten to this extent? You ever have a balance for grant? You want control. You ever have a balance for grant? The pikin where they your belly, you ever have a born a comat. You want control. Where they ever marry you. Before, if I reach somewhere now, you go carry one leg go up. Now with time, you go begin to bring the other leg down small. Now you want to control Odogwu. You have the right to tell Odogwu, say you want block you. Make number one not open the door. Make number one. I've seen that. I'm still saying that you don't have sense. You don't have sense. You forget your sense. You in short, they carry your sense just placenta through when they deliver you. Not be even your husband has you for forget time. This one they carry and just placenta through because you don't have sense. As old as you are, you don't have sense. You don't have sense. As old as you are, Comfort, you don't have sense. Look at what you are displaying. If Odogwu not marry you tomorrow, Fish is not going to marry you. Which man go shop belleful Phyllis and make you come marry someone like you, old cargo, like you couple with a baby mama where you go be. You see, I say frustration. Now don't they worry you so. Your papa they do something. Go tie the pikin, may not come and share. But God pass her. God Almighty pass your papa. Comfort, remember you yourself, you are pregnant. You too, you will see that is whatever this girl is suffering today, you yourself, you are going to suffer times 10 of it. God is not asleep. Your papa go run mad that in short that time before that, Sam, your papa go run mad. He go do everything by it to make sure say, but you not go succeed. You will receive times 10 of what this girl is receiving. Your papa go do a mention, you dey happy, you get mind they tell Odogwu may not come off for house, make you abandon the girl for hospital. You know the shame since where they carry you come the house. Odogwu don't ever carry you say this one am my. It don't tell you say you be enemy, and you enemy you will remain forever. That is just the thing. That is just the thing. Guys, share this video, guys. Share this video and remain your humble girl. Nkandas TV. Thank you.